Hey guys, got a 2023 plate Toyota Yaris here. Just going to show you how to adjust the date and the time on this one. So on this one, we're going to go to the screen in the center of the dash. So first, make sure your ignition is turned on so you can bring up the screen. Then from here, so whatever screen you're on, just want to press where the time is at the top. Then from here, you can have it adjust by GPS, so it does it automatically. Or if you want to do it manually, turn that off and then do your hours and your minutes. And once you've done that, just press back, now save.